My name is Harshdeep. मेरे पास दो क्वेश्चंस हैं. So I should
मुश्किल
ask.
तो नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं.
हाँ
I
जी.
mean, so पहला question is related to my appearance, how I look, what I wear. I mean, on the face, turban, beard, and like this. So little bit of background. I am in Merchant Navy. I'm a naval officer, and back then I was in Australia, and I have to give my exams. I appeared for my exams, and what happened is they told me to shave my beard so that I can participate in that exam because it's about firefighting and all, and my beard can burn. But I gave them examples that, I mean, there are possibilities that you don't have to shave it. And I went to the High Court Australia, and I won the case. And they added my college added it with my name, that on the religion basis the new rule was passed. So I fought for it, and I won the case. But the next guy sitting to me, Gurpreet Singh, a Sikh, he trimmed and he got clean shaved. So I felt bad because I was fighting. Another guy didn't trust on what the teachings were given to us, and he trusted into the money that, I mean, the money he lost 15 lakhs what he have done. Now I'm enthusiast kid. I'm enthusiastic, and back I came to India. I mean, I have been. It's been 3 months. I came back to India, and what happens is, I want to be a good boy, right? So I go to Gurdwara morning 5:30. I wake up. I tried to go to Gurdwara. It's chill and too much foggy, and I don't get car, so I drive through Activa, and I was wearing I mean, like a woolen cap. I was wearing a patka, but above that there was a woolen cap, and I was packed with everything. And as soon as I reached the Gurdwara, he was not Paiji, but he was uncle, some uncle. He stopped me, and I was not able to go inside the Gurdwara to see the Prakash. So what happens is, he told me that don't come to Gurdwara like this, wearing a woolen cap or something. You should be wearing full pug when you come to Gurdwara. And being, I tell you, I'm a photographer and enthusiast graphic designer also. So I sleep very late often because I have projects from Australia to do. So I sleep very late, and I wake up morning 5:30. I have to reach Gurdwara. I live 5 kilometers away from the Gurdwara. I have to be packed. So wearing a turban, is it a necessity, or, I mean, it's a made up thing? Because I fight for my religion, and somebody comes and say to me that you are not perfect. I mean, I know I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to be. So that good boy, what I am trying to be, has not going to Gurdwara from last 1 month alone. I'm going with my family though, but I'm not going alone. That's my first question. And can I stretch the second one in this? My second question is that we believe in religion. I do believe in religion. I'm not atheist, but my question looks like an atheist. So, if all the holy books like Guru Granth Sahib and the book like Quran Sharif and all these books are compiled and kept somewhere, and nobody in this world knows what the book is. I mean, nobody knows Guru Nanak Dev Ji, nobody knows Allah. And same thing happens with science. What researches we have done, mobile phones, cell phones, I mean, Raman effect, everything what we have done is kept in another locker, or rather I'll say they burned it. Will this, because I know science exists, so doing researches and everything, it will come back. I mean, after few years, someone will develop cell phone, but the same religion will come back. Will Ramchandra or Guru Nanak Dev Ji will come back? I mean, that's my question. I mean, I don't know if this worth is the question worth or not, but that's my question.
In spite of looking from this angle that physically they will come back or not, we have to see that truth prevails. So we have to go after truthful living wala message जो मिलता है. We have to find out that divine message and follow the message. उसको बोलते हैं शब्द गुरु, right?
Yeah.
So that divine knowledge we have to follow.
Exactly. But will
No one can say they will come back or not.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I cannot say.
Nobody can.
Right?
Nobody can.
But we need again the message.
Uh-huh. Hmm.
So it is secondary whether they will come or not.
But do we need a religion to live?
For example, you're having a rickshaw or cab or auto, right?
Yeah.
Suppose he says from A to B corner I can take you and the charges will be 80 rupees,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So you have 100 rupees bill with you
Hmm.
and you sit on that vehicle.
Hmm.
So once he drops you at point B, then you pay him 100. How much he will pay you?
20 back.
Why?
Because that's the bill on him. He asked me the bill and
This is called religion.
yeah, but
Religion,
I have not given a name to it.
no, you just pay him 100
Yeah.
and don't take 20 back.
Yeah, I got it.
But you are supposed to get 20 back or
Exactly,
not?
exactly.
He is supposed to give you honestly back or not?
Exactly.
When he is supposed to return 20 bucks to you, that his inner religion tells him, इसको 20 रुपए वापस बनते हैं दे दो.
Hmm.
If he doesn't give you, then you ask him,
Exactly. I know. Yeah,
idealism तेरे को ये सिखाता
I
है,
got it.
है ना? So question is answered.
Exactly, I got it.
Religion is not to be adopted. Religion is to be lived.
Uh-huh.
सारी दुनिया में रिलीजन ही तो मिस है,
Hmm. Okay.
स्पिरिचुअलिटी मिसिंग है. स्पिरिचुअलिटी उसको बताएगी. अब टीचर है, हाउ टीचर लिव्स स्पिरिचुअलिटी. ये बच्चे हैं, मैंने इनको सिंसियरली सिलेबस पढ़ाना है.
Hmm.
After that, we have to take the exam. And if they write properly the answer, I am supposed to give them numbers. But if I give them numbers according to ये हिंदू का पर्चा है, ये मुसलमान का आंसर है, या सिख का आंसर है, और डिस्क्रिमिनेट करके मैं उसको ठीक नंबर ना दूं, तो मेरे को यहाँ पर ऑनेस्ट होना है. ये ऑनेस्टी से मैंने उसका पेपर चेक करना है, और उसने ठीक लिखा उसको पूरे नंबर देने हैं. दिस इज रिलीजन.
Okay.
अंडरस्टैंड?
If this is religion, that's far much.
Not if.
Yeah,
This is
religion.
religion.
Yeah, and the first question, I mean,
The first question, you are hurt by that person who did talk like that. You have to find out the truth,
exactly.
right? And you have to work on your self-esteem.
But how?
You have to find out.
Yeah,
As you explained what you did in Australia, you have to nurture your self-esteem, not subject to one person what he said, because you expected that he should know कि मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्या करके आया हूँ. He doesn't know.
yeah,
So we are not supposed to tell others what I am.
yeah.
We are supposed to understand the truth, and how can I, do you know, I am American citizen and I travel after 5 or 6 weeks by air. So I put on my turban
Mm-hmm.
and I tie the patka.
Yeah,
But when they come, fasten your seat belt and the destination is coming. So I tie my turban.
mm-hmm.
You know how much it takes? 45 seconds.
Yeah,
Without mirror, I tie my turban and it takes me hardly maximum 1 minute.
Yeah.
I just tie. It depends on you. You are most successful person on this earth once you learn how to get ready. Soonest, fastest. Understand?
but yeah,
सो ये एक्सक्यूज अपने आप खत्म हो जाएगा. मैं रात को देर से सोता हूँ. फॉर द लास्ट 40 years मैं 3 hours सोता हूँ. माई एवरेज स्लीप इज 3 hours. बट टू गेट रेडी इज individual's skill, and once we mix divine power into it, then we can get ready as soon as possible. But we cannot blame that person,
I didn't.
we cannot blame that system. We have to understand what is fact, what is truth. Go into the study and find out Guru Granth Sahib Ji.
Yeah.
Right?
Thank you.
Thanks for sharing.